Hazrat Safwan bin Muhriz states that Hazrat Imran bin Hussain radiyallahu anhu said, while I was in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a delegation of Banu Tamim came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, O Banu Tamim, accept the glad tiding. They thereupon said, You have given us glad tiding, grant us some wealth as well. Thereafter some people of Yemen came. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, O the people of Yemen, accept the glad tiding, whereas Banu Tamim did not accept it. They replied, We accept it, and we have come to you so as to learn the religion from you, and that what was prior to this world. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Only Allah Jalla Jalaluhu was there, and there was nothing prior to him, and his throne was on the water. He Jalla Jalaluhu then created the heavens and the earth, and inscribed everything on the guarded tablet. Right then a man came to me and said, O Imran, take notice of your she-camel. It has fled away. I therefore went out to find her, which had gone across the mirage. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I wished I had left her and had not left his meeting. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7418.